Hey, beautiful, come on in. We need to talk about something that's been sitting heavy on that gorgeous heart of yours. How to trust love again without fear. Yeah, I know. Sounds like a plot twist in a telenovela, right? But let's get into it, for real. First, let's be honest. Love can feel like a damn haunted house after you've been hurt. You walk in all hopeful and suddenly, bam! Betrayal jumps out in a clown mask talking about, "It's not you, it's me." Girl, please. I remember this one time I swore I was done with love. I was ready to buy 14 cats and start a YouTube channel reviewing wine and reality TV. But deep down, I knew I still wanted love. I just didn't want to get wrecked again. You feel me? So why is it so hard to trust love again? Because your heart is smart, honey. It remembers every broken promise, every gaslight special, every time you gave your all and got crumbs back. But here's the plot twist. That same heart, it also knows how to heal. And it's ready to love better, not just harder. You see, when you don't heal first, you start carrying old fears like a designer bag that doesn't even match your outfit. Sis, you can't rock that 2025 confidence while dragging around 2012 trust issues. Like, make it make sense. What do? We start small. You don't need to dive into the deep end with no floaties. Learn to trust yourself first. Your intuition, your boundaries, your inner voice that whispers, "Queen, that's a red flag," even when he looks fine as hell in that suit. Second, give yourself grace. You're not supposed to jump back into love like you're auditioning for a rom-com. Trust grows like a plant, baby. You water it, give it sun, talk to it nicely. You don't scream at your plant for not blooming overnight, right? So why do it to yourself? Third, understand that fear will show up. It's normal. You can feel afraid and still choose love. Fear doesn't have to be the driver. It can chill in the back seat while you ride toward real connection. And let's be real. You're not the same person you were before. You're wiser, stronger, and your crown is shinier than ever. Nobody can play you the same way twice because you're paying attention now. You're the main event, honey. If you're sitting there thinking, "But Emmy, what if I get hurt again?" Babe, you might. But guess what? You've survived 100% of the heartbreaks you've had so far. And look at you now. Stunning, radiant, unstoppable. You're a whole masterpiece. So take it slow. Check in with yourself often. And remember, love is a risk, but so is staying closed off. You deserve a love that feels safe and true, not one that makes you question your worth every other Tuesday. Drop your story in the comments. Have you tried to trust love again? What helped you? I want to know all the juicy details. And down me some love with a like. And hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss what's next. You got this, Queen.